Daming kuto, guys. Ito yung mga...
Treat it as a medical condition and use anti-lice shampoo.
Camera. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please do like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. So as you can see right now, I'm here at the Licealiz movement here in Cebu, and they're spreading the awareness of this is Cykaniki at ang catastrophe. I don't know if you can see this, but this is an advocate campaign. This campaign is headed by Licealiz. So Licealiz is a head lice treatment shampoo with conditioning formula. This campaign is partnered by DepEd and Licealiz and DSAP. I don't know what is DSAP, and you can check their channel, which is the Facebook of Licealiz, www.facebook.com/licealiz. So if you don't know what is lice, lice here in the Philippines is kuto, right? I'm going to insert the clip of the kuto here. Anyway, today guys, maraming magaganap. Merong session ng mag-shampoo yung mga bata. We're going to cover it. And meron ding magko-color sila. Licealiz is going to distribute coloring books and materials for school as well. So this is a good advocate. I'm really happy. Actually, this is my second time on attending this kind of event because I really love this. This is an advocate or awareness, especially to parents, na kailangan talagang mapuksa yung kuto or ang lice kasi it's not really good because our kids are going to suffer from itchiness on our head, and lice is a parasite, so it's not really good for our body to have it. So I really encourage mothers out there. Going to ask some students here if what are they up to. Excited ba? Excited kayo? Excited? Excited? Oh, hi! Yes, mga students sa City Central School, guys. And dito nila i-held yung Licealiz. So, mag-wash kayo ng hair later. Ready? Ready? Oh, meron mga kuto.
Hi! Excited man kay para mawagtang ang kuto. Surprise!
Guys, they're starting already, and 10 minutes daw siyang ibababad, guys. So nilagyan nila ng Licealiz, as you can see. I don't know if meron tayong makikitang kuto later. Okay, with pinahalan siya may may makita sa towel. Wow.
So na si Dr. mag-wait ang lecture sa ato
So next
sila magkaon sa ato ang nutrition pinaagi sa dugo or sa ato ang panit. So usually mainhan na nila because or okay. So ang life cycle sa kuto gikan sa lusa adun sa adulto is only 1 week. So kanang mga lusa yung makita, imagine na after 7 days kuto na sila tanan. Dili kuya mag-kunin ang adult na kuto. Kung ganito, mapilan ang size na pwede ng so imagine na ang
Ang daming kuto, guys. Ito yun, oh. Kana, and then, kana. Ang dami. Oh my God. Bilang kay kuto, siya. Hello, hi. Mag-vlog na mo. Sige, sunod. Grabe guys, super effective ng Licealiz. Ang daming kuto. Pinakita ko sa inyo kanina yung kuto. Ang dami talaga. Ang daming natanggal. Super. Ito, oh, grabe. Meron pa dito. Ang dami. Papakita ko sa inyo later. Super.
Our effort this afternoon, no, is to bring awareness to head lice. The first step is obviously to understand kung asa gikan ng head lice and so on pag-spread and the proper way to treat. So I hope the lecture was clear, but you can always ask me for clarifications. But basically, my advice is to be aware, know the facts, know the facts about the spread, how to prevent, and most importantly, the proper way to treat head lice. And that is to use anti-lice shampoo. Because according to the DepEd survey, 59% of Filipinos have head lice infestation, or at least have had head lice. And that's because we were not aware of the proper ways to treat, and it was never considered a medical condition. So now we understand that it's a medical condition, and we understand the very easy ways to acquire. So that's all. Just make sure na treat it as a medical condition and use anti-lice shampoo.
For that very beautiful and informative lecture. Thank you so much.
I hope it was clear.
Yeah. Guys, it's a wrap up. So we're here right now. We're going to have our snack and we're good to go. So ang daming kuto guys. Super talaga effective yung mga lahat ng mga in-advise ni Doc Kate.